Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know if we have virus on our PC. Chapter 1. How to know if your PC has a virus from Task Manager. To start, right-click on Start, click on Task Manager. Now you can check in the administrator for any process that you see as strange or unknown. When you detect it, right-click on the process. After that, click on Open File Location. Here, you are going to check if it is part of the system or a reliable application. After this, right-click on the process again, select Properties. Now in the Details tab, check the copyright line to see if it is reliable or not. Then, in the Digital Signatures tab, check the signer and its algorithm. Finally, right-click on the process. After that, click on Search Online. In this case, the browser will open. We will have details about this process to see its reliability. Chapter 2. How to know if your PC has a virus from CMD. To begin, enter CMD in the search. Click Run as administrator, select Yes to access. First of all, you need to go to the root of C execute cd 2 points and again cd 2 points. Now let's list all the connections in the system. Run the command netstat-ano, press enter. In the result, you will have complete details of the connections. You will see protocol details, addresses, status, and its identifier. To check, in the Task Manager, select Details. Check the PID in CMD and confirm which process it belongs to. This helps you determine whether or not it is safe. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you want to see these details in the console, run the command netstat-anob, press enter. You can see how this gives you full details of the identifier and the associated process. Now to kill an untrusted process, run the command taskkill *PID process number, press enter. If this is not possible, add an F bar at the end. After this, open File Explorer. Here you can see if there is a virus in text format. To remove it, open the CMD console. After that, list the directories with the dr command. To access hidden files, run the command dir/a. Then you can run the command attrib to list only files with their properties. Finally, remove the virus in text format, run the command del name, press enter. To verify that it was removed, run attrib. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.